Hey there, welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into one of the most talked about tools in the beauty world right now, the Daubigny Hexagon Kabuki Foundation Brush. If you're someone who loves a flawless makeup finish, this might just be your new best friend. This brush is making waves for all the right reasons, and we're here to find out why. Let's start with its unique design, the hexagon shape. It's not just about aesthetics. This shape actually enhances your makeup application by providing more control and precision. What I love about this brush is its versatility. Whether you're blending liquid foundation, buffing in powder, or even applying cream blush, it does it all effortlessly. The bristles are densely packed yet incredibly soft, ensuring a smooth, streak-free application every time. Now, let's talk about performance. This brush features 60 mm of ultra-soft bristles that make applying foundation a breeze. It evenly distributes product without absorbing too much, which means you get the most out of your makeup. Speaking of which, let's do a quick demo. I'm going to apply my favorite foundation using the Daubigny Hexagon brush so you can see just how flawless the finish can be. Look at that! In just a few seconds, my complexion looks airbrushed and flawless. This brush effortlessly blends everything from my forehead down to my chin, giving me that perfect, poreless look. And there you have it, folks. The Daubigny Hexagon Kabuki Foundation Brush, a true game-changer in the world of makeup tools. If you're ready to step up your beauty game, I highly recommend giving this brush a try. Trust me, your skin will thank you. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more in-depth reviews like this one. Until next time, stay beautiful.